Okay, so I'm going to attempt to create a demo here just to show you how easy it is to get into our Discord server. For those of you who don't know, Discord is a chat application um, that is a lot more permissive than Facebook, than what's allowed on Facebook, but also is just a lot more real time. It includes audio-visual channels and places that we can organize data in a different way. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to paste in that invite code that I have here. Now, my screen's probably going to behave a little bit differently than yours. Might. Okay, so we can see here that Evie Winters, that's me, has invited me to join the server, and because it doesn't show me as having an account because I'm in a private window, I'm going to be invited to create a username here, so we're just going to call it Evie Winters Test Demo. That should be sufficient for me for now. You can put whatever you want here. Your username will carry from multiple servers, which are different communities. So we're going to go ahead and continue. Alright, and we can see that was it. I'm already being put in here. Now, we do have some not safe for work channels, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my birthday. And I swear, if anybody makes fun of how old I am, we are going to fight. Okay, so we can see I've put in my birthday. I'm old enough to be here. And now we can see that I am joining the waiting room. And we're just sort of waiting for the tutorial here. Oh, it wants me to do these tutorial links. So if we go to the channel, we can see that I'm in here. And we can see some other folks who are joining. And then I'm going to set my username. And the way I'm going to do that is going to type call me, which is the command here that will help. And then I'm going to say Evie Snowflake test account. She and her. We make sure to put our pronouns here. And as soon as I run that command, you can see a few things happened. Oh, I'm gonna need to run it a second time. I made boo-boo. I made it too long. There we go. And we can see now that I've set the command and that my name has been changed. And that's it. That's really all you have to do. At this point, you're going to kind of wait, and while you're waiting with the other folks, you'll see names start disappearing from the list. That's because they're being added to the server. You're just going to wait here. This channel is to help protect the privacy of the other members of the group. An admin will come along, and as long as your name is set and your pronouns are set, you'll be added to the server. Okay?